sa lahat. Ayan. Haggard, guys. Sobrang haggard. Sobra kasing ano. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Wala lang tong music. Wala pang music dito. Kaya, ayan. Saan ko ba ito lalagay? Against the light, guys. Dito na lang. Ayan. Huwag lang malalaglag. Kasi sa hagdan talaga siya malalaglag. Sa hagdan. Ayan, guys. Magta-thank you ako sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Ayan. Tsaka nagsusupport sa channel ko. Ito lang kwenta yung mga ko, mga post. Ayan, nandyan pa rin kayo. Ayan, wait lang guys ha. Lang ako. Dito lang muna ako. Okay? Wait lang guys ha. Sobrang lang, haggard talaga ako. Sobrang maghapon. Di pa ako nakakatulog. Ayan. Wait, dyan. Ayan guys, sobrang na. 1,260. Parang ganon. Yung subscribers ko. Hello guys sa aking 1,260. Ayan, pero mas marami guys yung nanonood nang hindi nakasubscribe sa akin. Ah, maraming nanonood na hindi nakasubscribe. Pero thankful pa rin kasi nanonood kayo. Kumaga, yung iba nagmamarites lang. Pero thankful pa rin and blessed because yung pagmamarites nyo, nakakatulong din sa mga, ayan. Guys, lang, mag-subscribe kayo para masaya. Ayan, meron, tayo, mag-church hopping na lang ako. Hello, dear. Ayan, I'm going to the room. I'm not yet finished to my work, but um, I have time for this. Thank you so much. Hi, Danny. Ayan, hi, Danny. I'm not yet done at my work. A long time no see ya. I do live yesterday, but you're not there. I totally miss every one of you. Where is David? Only DJ's there. Only DJ's there. But it's okay. If you're sick, it's okay. Just relax and um, keep safe always. Take care of yourself. How are you? You. I know you're sick. That's why you're not always in my life. Just like yesterday or the other day. But it's okay. It's okay. Just take care, okay? Because you're always, ano ba, lack of sleep. Why did you do that? Just for me. Just saying thank you for that. Wait for a while, Danny, and later, so I didn't come yesterday. Yeah, I already understand that. It's okay, Danny. No problem. No problem for that. As usual. As usual, Danny. It's okay. Even no more David at all. Almost 1 week, maybe 1 week or 5 days. No more David. Only DJ. Only DJ. But it's okay. I'm so thankful. If there's 3 viewers, it's okay for me. Yeah. If there's only 3 viewers.